Hello friends, first watch this video that I am going to teach you how to make. A pigeon gives a pizza to a farmer, and the farmer eats the pizza. But the farmer's stomach doesn't fill up with just one pizza. The farmer tells the pigeon to bring more pizza. Scared, the pigeon brings a whole truckload of pizza. The farmer eats all those pizzas one by one, but still his stomach isn't full. Then the farmer starts getting very angry. Just then, the pigeon brings an orange fruit for the farmer. The farmer eats it with great delight, and his anger cools down. But now the pigeon starts crying because you didn't like and subscribe. Many people make AI videos like this, but their videos don't go viral because they never put in the hard work like big creators do. Neither can they generate good videos, nor can they edit their voice well to make it engaging. And their stories are so boring that people swipe away just a few seconds after the video starts. And yes, for those new to my channel, know that I also grew this channel by making AI videos. So in this video, I will teach you how to write a good and engaging script, how to generate free and unlimited images, how to keep the character consistent throughout the video, how to make high-quality free videos, how to edit a professional voice so it can be monetized, and how to edit all of this into a perfect professional short. I will teach you everything. So let's start. The secret to storytelling. Many people think, I'll make any story and the video will go viral. But in reality, that doesn't happen, because the most important part of such AI videos is the story. You have to be a bit of a genius to write a story. And in this matter, Other Channel Animation is a genius. That is why every video of theirs goes viral, while others don't. Other people either copy the same story or get ChatGPT to write it, which is the completely wrong way. I have watched over 100 videos by Other Channel Animation, and I noticed 4 common tricks in every video. Tricks number 1 and 4 are so important that without them, their video never goes viral. 1. The intro. The first important part of an engaging story is the intro. Their video intro is always something that attracts people. For example, look at one of their popular videos. A train had been parked at a railway station for many days. A big pigeon builds its nest on it. In the intro, they show something uncommon and exciting that makes the viewer stop immediately to find out what will happen to the pigeon and its nest next. They create suspense this way and hook the audience. 2. Pacing. Then comes the hardest job, setting the story's pace. As the story progresses, they slowly build a base. For example, it lays eggs in that nest, and in a few days, little chicks hatch from the eggs. The pigeon was happy. However, doing just this can make the story a bit boring. If this goes on for too long, people will leave. 3. The rehook, or twist. Here, Other Channel Animation uses their second trick, the reattract, or rehook. They take a maximum of 8 to 10 seconds to build the base, and then suddenly bring a twist. For example, one day the pigeon goes to get grain, and suddenly the train starts moving and goes far away. This twist attracts the viewers again, and they don't leave the video. 4. Playing with emotions, the ending. At the end of the video, they use another powerful trick that increases their subscribers rapidly. That trick is playing with emotions. They give the video a satisfying ending. The pigeon is sitting sadly on a tree. Just then, the same train returns to the same station. The pigeon becomes happy. This gives the audience satisfaction. And right here, they play with the audience's emotions and say, as they leave, then the pigeon started crying because you didn't like and subscribe. The audience is then compelled to subscribe unknowingly. This is their story secret. But even if they didn't use this 4th trick, they would still grow, because Other Channel Animation knows well that 90% of their audience is kids. That's why they use animals, birds, and food scenes in every video, which kids love and engage with more. On the other hand, your copied story, which people have already seen and has nothing unique, or ChatGPT's boring story, makes people swipe away immediately. If you have trouble writing stories yourself, watch many viral story videos, get ideas from them, and write your own unique story. I made this story inspired by other channel animation as well. Generating consistent images, Gemini. Now, how to make images according to this story. Many people make mistakes here too. They copy the story, paste it into ChatGPT, ask for prompts, and make images. If you are short on time, you can do that, but if you are serious and want a professional video, use this second method. First, we will generate a consistent character and then the rest of the images. Open Other Channel Animation channel, or any popular channel. Open a video and take a screenshot of the character you want, for example, the farmer. Open Gemini, available on Play Store. Click Create Image, then the plus icon, and select the screenshot. Prompt Gemini, give me an image of only this person and remove everything else. Gemini will remove the background. If something remains, like a pizza in hand, tell it to remove the pizza too. Download this image. This is now your consistent character. Creating scenes. To generate scenes with this character, open a new tab in Gemini for better results. Click Create Image and upload your consistent character reference. Write the description, this farmer is sitting in front of a small house in a farm eating pizza and a big white pigeon is standing near him. Create the image. Within 30 seconds, it will create the exact scene with the same character. If you want to change something, like making the pigeon bigger, open a new tab, upload the reference, and say, this pigeon should be a big pigeon. Generating video, Grok AI. I will use two AI tools. The first is Grok AI, available on Play Store. Open the app and log in with Google. Click Create Videos. Select your image. It starts generating immediately. Pro tip: to make it attractive, add camera movement in the description. Example, the person is eating the pizza very happily. The camera will rotate around the person. Generating voice, Film Pro, and text-to-speech. A viral video relies more on voice than video clips. Other channel animation uses the Alex voice. Here is how to generate it and edit it to sound human, not robotic. Open the Film Pro app. Search YouTube for download tutorials if needed. Start a new project. Select an image and drag its length to 1 minute. Click Text, paste your full script, and click OK. Select Text-to-Speech. Choose the Alex voice, click Create. Export this as a video file. Convert to audio. Since it is a video file, go to Google and search Video to Audio Converter. Upload your video, convert it to MP3, and download it. Editing voice, making it professional. Step 1. Enhance. Search Google for Adobe Podcast Speech Enhancer. Sign in, upload your audio file. It will remove noise and make the voice clean. Download it. Step 2. Lexus Audio Editor. Open Lexus Audio Editor, Play Store. Open your audio file. Important, stop the audio playback before clicking Options. Click the 3 dots, Effects, Equalizer or Amplifier. Adjust the settings. Left bars are bass, right bars are treble. Apply. Add echo. Click Effects and Echo. Apply a slight setting that sounds slight and crisp. Add reverb. Click Effects and Reverb. This gives it that storyteller feel. Normalize. Click Effects and Normalize. This maximizes the volume naturally. Save the file. Final editing, CapCut. Now we match the video clips with the audio. Click New Project. Select all your video clips in order. Hide watermarks. Pinch and zoom each clip slightly to push the watermark off screen. Add audio. Click Audio, Sounds, from Device. Select your edited voice. Cut silence. Zoom into the timeline. Use the split tool to cut out the silent gaps in the audio. Drag the clips to close the gaps. Mute original sound. If your Grok AI videos have noise, set their volume to 0. Syncing. Listen to the voice, Touch the video clip for that sentence, go to Speed and adjust the speed, faster or slower, until the video length matches the audio sentence perfectly. Export. Set resolution to 1080p, settings to high, and export.